Does the teacher have, yes please, does the teacher have the right to face their accuser? No, teacher don't have a right to face their accuser. Now we can see that exemption if it's a child and if it's at risk or whatever, but any other accuser, the teacher have no right to face the accuser, nor by extension therefore to challenge their credibility. A person can write anything about any teacher and send it in. Section 57 and Section 70, the right to legal representation. Section 56, the right to attend the inquiry. Section 55, the right to view documents. But there's no right to face your accuser. What is natural justice? Mr. President.
I don't think that you would have to legislate that, because there are certain principles of natural justice which apply right across the board.
Yes.
I'm just saying.
Well, Mr. President, I am no lawyer myself.
What you're saying there, if it says the right to documentation, the right to this, the right to that, you're saying that perhaps it should be involved.
Because all of these are a part of natural justice as well. You don't, in the regular legal system, don't you also still have the right to view documents? And it is placed there. Unless that is at risk, especially if it's a child. So I'm saying that that same limitation can be placed, especially because a complainant can easily be a child. But if you are going to repeat those rights in the bill and exclude that one, then it's reasonable to assume as a village lawyer that isn't included. After conversation with a lawyer. Oh, all right, cool. But you do accept what I have seen here. And if there's a reasonable, remember, we're just pointing out what we have seen. If there's a reasonable explanation, we will accept. However, within this context, there are some stipulations of the teacher's rights, one of which is to see the documents, which is within natural justice, but not within it is to face your accuser. And I believe that because you have 57, 70, 56, and 55, which speaks to those rights. Well, yes, I forget that you're on my side on this one. No express right to cross-examine the complainant. Complainant may remain anonymous, and I believe that is unreasonable unless, of course, they need protection. And complainant may submit only a written document. I think that puts great and undue risk on the teachers. They can confront or question their accuser, lack of transparency, and of course, as I say, they can't speak to the character of their accuser. And remember, this is a service that have inseparabilities. People interacting with people. People interacting with parents that are from the same community. People interacting with other teachers. People interacting with people. And malice can always exist. So we are concerned that that right doesn't exist